Hi there. Let's talk about how you can supercharge your meta ads using Socioh's catalog features. Traditionally, all products in a catalog use the same design. But not all products are the same, and one design doesn't always work for all of them. That's where design sets come in. With Socioh, you can now create different designs for different groups of products. Start with a base design that works well for most of your catalog. Then, create specialized designs for products that need a more tailored approach. Simple, right? But there's another challenge. Every product can still only have one design, and if you want to run ads with different designs, you have to create new catalogs. That's not great, because Meta builds performance history at the catalog level, and older catalogs have a huge advantage over new ones. That's why we built variations. Instead of making new catalogs, you can now create variations of the same product right inside your existing catalog. This keeps your performance history intact and ensures all ads benefit from it. Let's see how this works in action. When you create a new catalog in Socioh, the first step is to create a design set. Just pick the products you want, choose a design, and hit Save. You can create as many design sets as you like. If a product appears in multiple sets, it'll use the design from the last one in the list. So far, you've created your default variation. Now let's go ahead and create another variation. Click on Create New Variation, give it a name, and select an image position. The image position is the slot in your product's image set that will be replaced with your new design. Once you're happy with the setup, just hit Publish, and you're done. Now, how do you actually use a variation in your ad? Meta's Ads Manager doesn't currently let you choose which image position to use for an ad, but you can do it with Socioh. First, create your ad as usual. It'll automatically use the default variation. Then in Socioh, click the More button on your catalog card, and then click Assign Variations to Ads. You'll now see all campaigns with ads linked to that catalog. If nothing shows up, you can also fetch campaign details using the campaign ID. Next, you'll get a list of all ads using the catalog. Click Change Variation, pick the one you want, and then hit Update Ad Variations. And that's it, you're done. That's how you can use design sets and variations in Socioh to make your meta ads more personalized, better performing, and easier to test. If you have any questions or need help, we're just a click away. Just use the chat option at the bottom right of your screen. Thanks for watching.